I just deleted Twitter. You don't have it, you can't even see what's going on. So I just stay off social media, and it's really helped me be able to lock in and focus too. So.
And what has led? What else has led to kind of your comfort? You mentioned that you're really comfortable here. What are some of the things that have led to that immediate comfort level here?
Yeah, I would say my coaches, my offensive line coach, Coach Jones. This place was always so really high for me out of recruiting. I just wasn't sure, with the offensive line coach change, I wasn't sure how long the previous O-line coach would be there. So when I went to the portal, I pretty much knew where I wanted to be. So the guys in the room have helped out a lot. My coaches helped out a lot. Coach Drink has helped out a lot. And it's just really one big family here.